Abbas Salman.
Good morning, Anna.
Morning. You have 3 parking tickets, sir.
I'm guilty.
You're guilty?
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, unfortunately, I got the ticket during
What
the
do you do?
snow days.
What do you do here?
I go school,
Where do you go to school?
CCRI,
Okay. What are you studying?
cybersecurity,
Okay. Where are you from?
Pakistan.
How long have you been here?
3 years.
Yeah.
And a lot of people, like, they love you, they like your videos.
Oh, yes,
and,
well, you're going to butter me up now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
And in Pakistan, a lot of people, they call me, oh, you go Judge Caprio. They
Tell
I
me
have no
about
word for it.
tell me about these tickets. Were these up near the school?
Yeah, actually, unfortunately, I got the tickets during the snow days, so yeah, so that's why.
I have a very generous family from Midland, Texas. It's a fellow named Stephen and his wife Tammy. I mentioned their names before, who have sent in some money to help someone that is worthy. And you are a student, and you certainly are worthy of some help. I think you qualify for this, so I'm not going to fine you. I'm going to have give Stephen and Tammy the benefit. Actually, it's an honor for them to pay for you, so it's going to cost you nothing. Anyway, I wish that you complete your studies.
Thank you.
You're planning to stay in the United States?
Yeah, because I have like a green card, so I am national in this country.
Do you have family here?
No, I don't have like any family.
Well, here's what we hope, right? We hope that someday you stay here
Yeah,
and you have a family
yeah,
and you raise some kids.
yeah. You are my family.
Well, I appreciate that.
Thank you.
I feel honored that you even said that.
Thank you.
But that's the American story. See, Inspector Carrigan, his relatives came from Ireland, right? My family, my father was born in Italy.
Oh,
Other people come from all over the world. That is what America is all about. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Stay in school. I was truly touched by Ahmed's kind words.
in Pakistan, lot of people like they love you.
I still find it hard to comprehend the reach of court and providence. What began 25 years ago as a modest public access program has now gone global. Our cases have been viewed by nearly 2 billion people, by people from all over the world. They all seem to be wishing for the same thing, to have a court system in their country like the one we have here right in Providence, where everyone is treated with kindness, consideration, and dignity. Amma, we are honored that you consider us family. If you decide to make Providence your home, please let us know, and we'll have you over for a Caprio Sunday dinner. It would be our honor.
Hey, thanks for watching. Are you aware that Court in Providence is also a TV show that you can enjoy every weekday? To find out what channel we're on, go to courtinprovidence.com, click on your local listings, scroll down till you find your hometown, then tune in for your daily dose of kindness, consideration, and common sense. See you soon.